Welcome to KPR Institute of Technology. You are in 3D printing lab and you scan for this printer. This is a type of additive manufacturing technology. Using a resin, we can build prototypes like this. Yeah. Similar products. You can build products like this. Even you can print very small component in detail. You may see this. The working is very simple. Just open this for you. So now I printed a Eiffel Tower, and this is a software called Creation Workshop. To connect this printer, we need to use this Creation Workshop software, and the raw material here is a resin. You may see here this is 3D printing resin, white color, and this is green color. Here I used orange color resin. So what happened here? We see one projector over here. This is a small projector, and the printer name is DLP. That means Digital Light Processing. What happened? That computer sent image to this projector, and then this image is cured in this resin, and then layer by layer, similar to additive manufacturing technology in FDM. Here also we are printing the components by adding layer of material one over another. But here we are using light to cure the resin. The final output this is the final output of DLP printers. Thank you.